Today, Amanda here is going to show you exactly how to put a new radiator in a Yanmar 2500 diesel tractor. So if you guys are just joining us, you are watching our tractor series. We got this Yanmar 2500 diesel tractor, and we are going through and replacing a bunch of parts on it. Why are we replacing parts, you may ask?
Because it's old.
It runs good. But
it's old, it runs good, so we just gotta, what is it? Refresh it, I guess.
Refresh it, man. Bring it back to life.
There you
because
go.
We have a ton of work to do out here. So we want a reliable piece of machinery. If you guys are new, we just bought a brand new mobile home. We put it on this raw land. Well, first we bought this raw land.
Yeah.
And it was nothing.
Got the raw land. It was actually a lot worse than that.
Now it's getting pretty clear now just from us doing it. But
yeah,
I mean, you couldn't walk out here. I mean, it was this high. You want to give a shout out to your sponsor?
Yes. Let me see where there we go. I'd like to thank here FridayParts.com for sponsoring this video and giving us this brand new shiny radiator.
So if you guys are in the market for any kind of tractor parts, heavy equipment parts, truck parts, you name it, chances are FridayParts.com, they have it in stock, ready to ship. That's FridayParts.com. Fix it once, fix it right.
There we go.
Wow, that's a nice looking radiator.
So here is the cap.
Man, that's the nicest thing on this tractor.
Here we go. So it looks like it's gonna go something like that.
Huh. Is it the same size? It looks like it, right?
Looks about like it.
Anyways, we're gonna...
Yeah, because you got your hose clamp here, and your other bottom hose goes down here, and a little line. It's
shiny. The only thing different... Oh, no, that is here. Okay. So that's right. It goes in there, and everything looks the same, that bottom. It's identical.
I said the bottom part, you got your big hose, little line, big line, little line.
All right. It's identical, folks. So the first thing that we're going to do is drain the radiator. So now on these tractors, a lot of them, they have drain plugs, and mine is right here. And that plug actually runs to the bottom of the radiator. So it is a 3/4 inch wrench. There we go. So the next thing you want to do is undo your hoses. You got one top hose, and you got two bottom hoses. You got a big hose, and then the little hose here, which is your drain line. So they're all flathead screwdrivers. So just undo them, and we'll pull them off. There you go, you got it. There's one. Okay. You got that one. Almost. Boom.
There we go.
So after you have your hoses all disconnected, all three hoses, you have 4 bolts on the front. They're 13 millimeter. And you got 4 bolts on the back, and they are 13 millimeter. So there's 2 on the back here, 2 on that side, 2 on the front here, 2 on that side. So Amanda is going to undo them.
Are these like that loose or something?
Yeah, once they're loose, you can do it by hand. Be careful when you do this one that you don't hit this with the wrench. You know what I mean? You don't want to hit this with the wrench. You'll have a big spark.
Oh, thank you.
Go ahead. I'll hold this so you don't hit it.
It's like I need more leeway with it.
There you go. There, should be loose enough. Alright, this side over here doesn't matter. That's your negative. So you can hit that. It won't hurt nothing. You just don't want to hit that positive, you know.
This is very annoying.
You got it though. So Amanda now has the radiator loose and the fan shroud loose. So the fan shroud, yep, you just want to set back here like that, as far back as you can get it. That's good. And then the radiator is going to be a little bit of a wiggle. There you go. You got it?
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a wiggle thing. So she's got the old radiator out, folks. And why we got this apart, this fan shroud, I think I'm going to go paint this up real quick. I'm going to paint this black. Wouldn't that look better if I paint that black?
That looks nice.
Yeah, I'm going to go paint it real quick. All right, so Amanda just went to go find some spray paint. In the meantime, so I am actually going to take off these radiator hoses here because I got some new hoses and I'm going to replace them. When we were doing the water pump, I noticed my hoses were really bad shape. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean here once I get these off. All right, there's one. That one's not too bad. Just wanted to show you the inside of my radiator hose. As you can see, like the metal rings inside are like falling apart. I don't know if you can see that. So these hoses are like no good at all. So we need new hoses. All right, so here's a brand new radiator hose. This one goes right there. Then we got this second little hose here. So I already put my hose clamps on. This hose is a little tricky to get in here. So one end goes there. Put this down. All right, I got them both on there. So this little hose here is kind of hard to get on there, but it's definitely, you can get it on there. So I got both of them on there. Both look good. Brand new hoses. So the next hose is this top one here. It's already loose. All right, here's the new one. So Amanda's over here just taking a rattle can to it. Yep, that's how it goes, just like that. I think, right? So we'll put that in first. Looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the new radiator. Slide it in there. There you go. You got it. We're in.
Hey, it sits.
All right, now we'll go ahead. We'll put our 4 bolts in on each side.
Okay.
So now I got the radiator all put back in. Everything is tight. The only problem I had, which I want to share with you guys in case you're in the same boat that I'm in, no big deal. It's super simple. So this new radiator here, the bolt holes that go in are not threaded. I want to elaborate a little bit on what I'm talking about. So on the old radiator here, as you can see, if you take a bolt, you know, it's threaded. So your bolt just threads in. And the reason being is on the back of my radiator, it's got like nuts that are welded on here. The new radiator don't have anything. So it's just flat with a hole through it. What I have to do is I have to get new nuts for the back of these bolts. No big deal. Like I said, I just got to go out and get some nuts for these bolts, which I had some laying around. So I was able to put bolts through the front of the radiator, as you can see. So the front of the radiator, this is all bolted in. I got 4 bolts on the front, nice and tight. But the shroud, I have zip ties holding my shroud on right now. I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, I got zip ties holding my shroud on only because I have to go to the store and get some nuts for my bolts. No big deal. Like I said, it's, you know, 20-cent nuts I got to go get. But anyways, everything is all ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and tighten my drain plug back up. And then I just have to hook up my overflow tube. And I have to get a new tank for this, which I do have one. So I'm just going to steal this hose off of the old one. No big deal. And that's my overflow hose. Hook my overflow hose back up to this one. Put the clamp back on it. Boom. Anyways, luckily I got a brand new one. So that'll work. So now we are ready to add some water. I do have some antifreeze coolant, you know, but until I check for leaks, I'm just going to add water because I don't want to waste all that coolant if there is a leak, you know. So let's just add some water. So we are pretty much ready to start the tractor up. I got water in it. I checked, I don't see any leaks anywhere, and I'm going to start it up. If I don't have any leaks, then I'll go ahead and put the regular antifreeze coolant in it. But so let's start it up and see if this thing works. Looks like we have us a crowd out here waiting to see if this thing's going to work. You better get down. You're not going to like it up here. Come on, get down. I'm about ready to start it up. You're not going to like it. Come on, please. Buzz off. Hey, it's going to get really loud. Come on, get down. Get down. Sorry about that, guys. We're getting ready to start this tractor up. All right. So I have let this tractor run now for a good 15-20 minutes, and I have absolutely zero leaks. So that is very good. This is full of, you can feel the pressure on it. It's hot, so it's definitely working. That's hot. Everything's working correctly. Zero leaks, which is amazing. Remember, guys, last week we changed out the water pump. So if you missed that video, go back and check that out. But no leaks there either. So everything is perfect. It's just like it should be. I'm going to go ahead and drain this fluid again, and I'm going to put my regular antifreeze coolant in there. And I just got a, from Napa here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that up. But I will see you guys next week. Next week, we're going to be doing this alternator. So I tested this alternator here. For some reason, it's not charging my battery. I'm only getting 12 volts when the machine's running. I should be getting like 13 to 14 volts if the alternator is working correctly. So this is not working correctly. So next week, we're going to put a brand new alternator on here. We're going to show you guys how to do that. And then we're pretty much getting ready to put this thing to work, guys. I got a new exhaust coming. We got a new fuel gauge. I got the new seat. And underneath this, I do have a small hydraulic leak. It's a hydraulic valve that, controls up and down here. We'll be changing that too. And that should pretty much wrap this series up. So probably another couple weeks worth of work to do. And then we're going to put this machine to work, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps us out. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.